Understanding Offer Restitution, a guide to making amends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and important phrase, offer restitution. This phrase is not just about vocabulary. It's about actions and ethics. By understanding and using it correctly, you can enhance both your language skills and interpersonal relationships. So, let's get started. The phrase, offer restitution, involves two key concepts, offer and restitution. To offer means to present or propose something to someone for acceptance or rejection. Restitution, on the other hand, is the act of restoring something that was lost or stolen to its proper owner, or compensating for loss, damage, or injury caused. Together, offer restitution means to propose a way to make up for a wrongdoing or harm one has caused. It's about acknowledging a mistake and taking steps to correct it. Offering restitution can take many forms, depending on the situation. Here are a few examples. If someone accidentally damages a friend's property, offering restitution might involve paying for the repairs or replacing the damaged item. In a business context, a company might offer restitution to customers by refunding money, providing additional services for free, or sending an apology letter for any inconvenience caused by their service or product. On a personal level, if one person hurts another's feelings, offering restitution could be as simple as a sincere apology and taking actions to ensure the hurtful behavior is not repeated. The key is that the offer should be sincere and appropriately match the harm done. Offering restitution is crucial for several reasons. Repairs relationships. It shows that you value the relationship and are willing to take responsibility for your actions. Demonstrates integrity. It reflects personal integrity and honesty, showing that you are committed to making things right. Encourages forgiveness. It can open the door to forgiveness and reconciliation, helping both parties to move forward. In essence, offering restitution is a fundamental aspect of social interaction, promoting harmony and understanding. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, offer restitution. Whether it's fixing a mistake or compensating for a loss, offering restitution is a powerful way to mend fences and strengthen bonds. Remember, acknowledging our mistakes and making amends is not a sign of weakness but a mark of character and strength. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.